Have you ever pondered about how the universe, with its vast expanse and infinite mysteries, came into existence? Let's dive into the captivating story of the universe's inception. The widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang Theory. Picture this: about 13.8 billion years ago, all that existed was an incredibly hot and dense point. This point was so small, it was nearly infinitesimal, a concept almost impossible for us to truly grasp. Then, in a moment of cosmic drama, this tiny singularity began to expand, and expand, and expand. This dramatic growth spurt gave birth to everything we see today, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? The universe as we know it, with all its complexity and grandeur, sprang from an almost infinitely tiny point. So, in the beginning, there was nothing but a tiny, infinitely dense point. From this point, our universe, in all its vastness, was born. From that fiery, chaotic beginning, how did we get to the familiar universe we see today? Let's journey back to roughly 400 million years after the Big Bang, where our tale of stars and galaxies begins. In the vast, dark expanse of the early universe, tiny, denser regions began to collapse under their own gravity. This collapse triggered a cascade of events, ultimately leading to the birth of the first stars. These cosmic pioneers were massive, burning brightly and living fast. Their short lives ended in spectacular supernovae, explosions so powerful they scattered the stars' enriched guts across the cosmos. These celestial guts, laden with heavier elements like carbon, oxygen and iron, weren't wasted. They became the raw material for the next generation of stars, and importantly, the planets orbiting them. This process of stellar birth and death, a cosmic recycling program if you will, has been ongoing for billions of years. It's the very process that led to the formation of our Sun, our Earth, and ultimately, us. Around the same time, the universe was also busy knitting the cosmic web, a vast network of galaxies. These galaxies, each a sprawling city of stars, gas, and dust, began to take shape, adding complexity and structure to our universe. The death of the first stars seeded the universe with the elements necessary for life as we know it, setting the stage for the next chapter in our cosmic tale. But when did the universe become more than just stars and galaxies? When did life first emerge? Fast forward to around 9.2 billion years after the Big Bang. Picture a small rocky planet orbiting a medium-sized star. This planet, our home, is Earth. It's here where the magic of life began. Imagine the early Earth, a volatile landscape of rock and sea under the constant bombardment of cosmic debris. It was out of this chaos that life first emerged. Tiny, single-celled organisms so small they could barely be seen, began to multiply and grow. Over billions of years, these single-celled organisms evolved, diversifying into a multitude of forms. They adapted to the changing world around them, becoming more complex and varied. These were the first steps in the journey of life, the first chapters in the story of our planet. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, life spread and flourished. Each new species, each new form of life, added to the rich tapestry of our world. And it's this diversity, this beautiful complexity, that makes Earth unique in the universe. From the cosmic dust, life emerged, adding a new layer of complexity to our universe. So, what does this all tell us about our universe and our place in it? Our journey through the cosmos has been one of epic proportions, starting from the universe's inception around 13.8 billion years ago. A time when all matter and energy were condensed into an infinitesimally small point. From this singularity, our universe expanded in a blazing hot fireball known as the Big Bang. This ushered in the era of stars and galaxies with countless celestial bodies igniting in the cosmic darkness. Over billions of years, these stars formed galaxies, colossal structures that make up the backbone of our universe. And within these galaxies, the elements necessary for life were forged. Which brings us to the emergence of life, a phenomenon that, as far as we know, has only occurred on a small blue planet orbiting an average star in an unremarkable corner of an ordinary galaxy. We humans are the product of this cosmic history, a testament to the universe's ability to create complexity and life from simple beginnings. This vast cosmic timeline, from the universe's inception to the emergence of life, underscores our insignificance but also our uniqueness. In the grand scheme of things, we are but a fleeting moment in the universe's vast timeline. But it's a moment that's part of an incredible story, the story of the universe itself.